class. Students, in the previous class we have started chapter number 14, the globe, latitudes and longitudes. In the previous class we have studied about the northern end, southern end, about the equator and about the lines of longitudes and lines of latitudes. The middle line which passes from the middle of the earth is termed as equator. Now, at the northern end there is a point which is termed as North Pole, and at the southern end there is a point which is termed as South Pole. Now, the lines, the horizontal line which passes from west to east, which passes in the direction west to east, are termed as lines of latitudes. Means here all the purple lines, all the horizontally purple lines are termed as lines of latitudes, whereas the line from north to south, vertical lines which passes from north to south, are termed as lines of longitudes. Here all the blue lines are referred as lines of longitudes. Lines of latitude. These lines of latitude are horizontal lines situated in the earth, and it is parallel to the equator. Parallel means two lines which are moving in the same direction without intersecting with each other. Means without meeting with each other, they move in the same direction. That lines are called parallel lines. So lines of latitude are parallel lines. These are parallel to the equator. They move in the same directions. Okay. Now, the degree of equator is 0 degree, and all lines of latitudes are measured in degrees. Next point. These lines of latitude makes a full circle, but as it moves towards the poles, the size of the circle becomes smaller. Okay. So, lines of latitude means horizontal lines. Next topic is heat zones, means the climate of the earth. As we move from equator towards the poles, the climate changes. The climate near the equator is hot and warm, but as we move towards the pole, the climate changes from warm to cool, and at the poles the climate is very cold. Okay. And the reason is this area is very hot is due to the sun rays falls directly on the equator, and that is why this region is the hottest region of the earth, and sun rays fall slanting at the poles, and that is why the pole region is very cold. Heat zones of the earth. On the basis of distance from the equator towards the poles, the earth is divided into 3 time zones, means three heat zones of 3 temperature zones, which is first one is torrid, which means hot, second one is temperate, which means moderate, and third one is frigid, which means cold. The first one, which is torrid, which means hot, it is situated between 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer to 23.5 Tropic of Capricorn. This area is known as torrid zone, and this region is very hot region. The reason because the sun rays directly fall on this region. Next is temperate. Temperate means moderate. It is situated between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the north, and Tropic of Cancer to Antarctic Circle in the south. This region is known as temperate zone, and the climate of this region is warm because this region receives slanting sun rays. Next one is frigid, which is situated between Arctic Circle and North Pole in the north, and Antarctic Circle to South Pole in the south. And this region receive the very slanting sun rays, and that is why this region does not get enough heat, and that is why this region is the coldest region of the earth.